What's up, guys? Welcome back to the home gardening channel. Today I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the indoor Marshydro garden. Right now things are in full production in here. I have a lot of seedlings starting. It's summertime here in Florida, so I can't put seedlings outside because of the heat. I have some that I've started on my porch in shade, some of my baby super hot pepper seedlings, but I also have a ton of stuff in here, both in soil and in hydroponics. I'm using double cup methods on my tomato seedlings, and these we're getting a little bit leggy, so I added some more potting soil, my own homemade potting soil. And now I'm feeding them nutrients through the bottom of the cup. I found a way of feeding them nutrients that I think is even better on the double cup method. As you know, I put holes on the bottom of these cups with a soldering iron, and then I have a second cup where I keep the nutrients. What I did was I took this little 2-ounce containers. They're like 2-ounce little ramekin to go containers, and I put them at the bottom of the bottom cup, and then I put the nutrients in there. So then the root system, like you can see here, we already got a little root coming through. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. You can see it right there. It's a little root. The root system can then feed on those nutrients. And I think this is gonna work out a lot better. I just started doing this yesterday. Some of these plants were a little bit dry, so you know, I monitor them every day. I come in here and look at them, but yeah, I changed them up, and now we're hoping that they're gonna do a lot better. Here I have some of my lettuce, which is growing in water. These are doing great. Here's another one. This is just starting out. This is growing inside an almond creamer container, and it's just got water and nutrients with a net cup. Here's the roots, and the water and the nutrients are in the bottom. And then what I do as that reservoir goes down, I just add more nutrients. This lettuce will continue growing, and then I just come and crop it, and it'll grow again. I'll get 3 harvests out of each lettuce head that I have there. Some of my pepper plants have been cut back quite a bit. I want them to grow new shoots, so I cut them back quite a bit. Here's another one. This is my ghost pepper. This one is off a plant that broke in like 5 pieces. I let it get too tall, and it was a mistake I made, and then it broke. It snapped at the base, and it broke into 5 pieces. So I took the pieces, and well, it actually broke into 1 piece. I took the pieces and I cut them into 5, and then I made more plants. And this is another one that came off of that plant. And from the clippings off of this one, I actually started this one. This will be another plant, and here's another that I started. Well, this is a chocolate scorpion that I trimmed down because it had fungus gnats on the leaves. Here I got some more. I believe these are 2 Carolina Reapers there. We got some kale over here, and the kale is just getting started in here. Just like the tomatoes, it will go on the outdoor garden. And I have a lot of heirloom tomato seedlings here. These are all just random varieties. I think I planted, I think it was like 40 seedlings altogether for tomatoes, and they're all different. So once these get about 8 to 10 inches tall, all of these tomatoes will go outside, and by that time the weather will be cooler. We'll probably be into September, maybe the beginning of October, and the sun won't bother them as much. Here I have the basil plant. I don't know if you guys, I think I did a video where I trimmed this, and now it's split. It's grown 3 new shoots, and look at the roots on this huge root system. And it's the same thing. I feed nutrients and water into that reservoir, and it takes it up through the roots. And this one is in an almond milk container from Sam's Club. So I recycle a lot of the plastic that comes into the house. Look, this cilantro here is actually growing in a yogurt container. I put holes through the bottom of it, and then I feed water and nutrients in that container, and it sucks it up. So basically I use Marshydro nutrients right now. I'm still learning, you know, I'll add more stuff. Here's another basil that's doing beautiful. I've already trimmed from this one quite a few times. I have some protein powder containers that have some peppers in here, and these peppers I moved from over here. The great thing about the neck cups, these little neck cups, is that they're interchangeable. Once you have the containers, the base made, you cut the holes in them, you can just interchange these like from one place to another wherever you think you need them better. So like if I could take this plant if I wanted to and put it in the bucket and then bring that one over here, you know, as you go. You could also take these plants that are in water and you could take them out of the water and bring them outside and put them in a soil container or a bucket, and you could even put them in the soil if you want to. So there's a lot you could do once you start learning about all of this stuff. Here's another lettuce right here. Here's a piece of bell pepper that I'm trying to root. It's just in growing medium, potting soil with water, and you know, I'm hoping that I can get that to grow into a new plant. So yeah, basically that's what's going on right now with the indoor garden. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you really soon on the next one.